found out that most of the time, the reason your saw won't cut straight is because of the chain. If your chain is old and worn out, it will come off the bar a lot and it will not cut straight. So I went to my local small engine shop and had them make me a new chain for the saw. It's a steel chain. It's a pretty good quality chain. But if you look and you compare this new chain to the old chain, you can see how much bigger the teeth are on the new chain. The old chain has been sharpened to its limit. The teeth usually have a score mark on them indicating how far they can actually be sharpened. Also, you can see the links have a lot of slack between them. This is because the pins that connect them together are worn. Holding the chain to the side, you can see there's a lot of bow, indicating there's a lot of slack between the links. Comparing to this new chain, this is a new steel chain, you can see how little bow there is holding it to the side. There's very little slack between the links in a new chain.